If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin Update. Alright, so Monday, new day of the week has already started, and before that I just want you to listen to this part of the yesterday's video when I talked about the excitement is back, because these are the small details I think that I upload on the channel that really makes the small difference. And by the way, the my private trading channel, which is actually paid, is opened up for the next 9 days. If you want to join that, do check out the link in description of the video. So here we go, and continue higher. So I do think during the Mondays and Tuesdays we could potentially see a little bit of that move down, because the first days of the week, like Monday and Tuesday, there is going to be a small push down to make that weekly wick, and then from there try to move back up very, very quickly. So okay, that's all in that rewind. So Monday or Tuesdays, and we did exactly that. Didn't we actually come down for that weekly wick to 23,886? And now we've done that, perfectly did that. And it's actually time for a very big move up. We're looking for a very big push, at least for now, for Bitcoin. I'm not going to extend Bitcoin's update, but I do see Bitcoin trying to move up to this price level, which is $26,900. Okay, nearly $27,000 that I've been talking about for quite some time. So yeah, could be this week, and I think this is the week that we do actually get 27,000 in finally. Okay, it's been a while. I've been talking about $27,000. And yeah, it takes time. When you're looking at the daily time frame, it takes days, right? If you're looking at the 4-hour time frame, it's going to take a couple of hours. When you're looking, it depends on which time frame you're looking at. And if we talk about $32,000, this is on a monthly time frame, which can actually take weeks or even more days to actually come up to $32,700. But as long as you're not coming down to 21,306, you're looking for 32,000. It's a very, very big, not a big deal. It's just a very small, simple thing you have to understand. Invalidation happens here. Technical target is right there. So can you do this, like something like this, hit your head and then maybe come down and then in the future go up? But it would be interesting to see what Bitcoin does when it does reach this particular price target. Then we're going to talk about what Bitcoin is looking to do, because what I want to say is that you do have this one little bit of a big resistance up here, because this is the last place where you made a bear flag. You came down, made a flag, and you went to the downside. So yeah, you're going to have to keep up very, very big attention to this area, to this key area right over here, when you do actually come above and hit your head at 32,000. Now, you do actually come up there and back test 31,000 and stay above 31,000 like this, and then you try to do something like that. That would be amazing. But if you do come up and hit your head here and then go down to 28,000 and then start to fade away like this downside, I'm not going to say it's totally going to be bad, but it's going to be a little bit something to keep an eye on, and you're just going to have to be more careful if something like that happens and the technical target gets met. So that's pretty much it for this quick one, and see you at 27,000 this week hopefully, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.